Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine and well and fine in your homes. As in our previous classes, I taught you about mean, mode, and median. Today, I will teach you graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. The first cumulative frequency curve या graph is known as OGIV. What we are saying to cumulative frequency curve? OGIV. There are two types of OGIV. You will study it in that exercise. The first one is less than type OGIV and the second one is more than type OGIV. The first one is less than type OGIV and the second one is more than type OGIV. Cumulative frequency curve means OGIV. So you will keep in their mind if anybody is saying what is OGIV, the cumulative frequency curve, that is known as OGIV. There are two types of OGIV, less than type or more than type. So first we will start less than type OGIV. How you will make less than type OGIV? So I am taking one example here. 0 to 10 class interval is given, frequency is given. 0 to 10 frequency is 5, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. At last 90 to 100 frequency is given here, 5, 3, 4, 3, like that. So first we will take out the cumulative frequency, and you know that how we will take out the cumulative frequency. We will add the continuous frequency in a sequence only. 5, the first 5 will come, then 5 plus 3, 8. Now the next one will add on 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Now the next one is 3, 3 will add on 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Then 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, like that. In cumulative frequency we will do it like that. Got it? We are making Z always. Okay, we are adding the number like that only. After that, what we are taking, whenever we are making graph, we need points to locate them in a graph. So how we will took out the points of that curve of less than OGIV? I am telling you. What we will do, we will take the lower limit. Keep in your mind, in less than type we are taking, not lower limit, upper limit. In less than type OGIV we will take upper limit and corresponding cumulative frequency. Upper limits, look at the first class, 0 to 10 and the corresponding cumulative frequency is 5. So our point will be 10, 5. The second class is 10 to 20 and the corresponding cumulative frequency is 8. So upper limit is 20 to 20, 8. The third class is 20 to 30 and corresponding cumulative frequency is 12. Upper limit is 30 and corresponding cumulative frequency is 12. The point is 30, 12. In next one, 30 to 40, 15, so we will do 14 and 15, like 15 and 80, 60 and 22, 70 and 29, 80 to 38, and the last one is 100 to 53. Now we will make a graph. Okay, how we will make a graph? I am telling you. In horizontal line, in x-axis, we will write the limits. Upper limit is coming on it. Okay. In vertical line, y-axis, we will take cumulative frequency. As you know, class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So we will take it like that only. That is origin, 10, 20, 30, 40. So we are taking 1 centimeter as a 10. We are taking 10 centimeter as a 10. Now in horizontal line, as you know that cumulative frequency is not in a proper way, 5, 8, 12, 15, at last 53 is coming. So we will do, so we are taking 1 centimeter as a 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. In horizontal line, x-axis upper limit. In vertical line, y-axis, CF is coming cumulative frequency. Now we are keeping the point. The first point is 10, 5. First point is 10, 5. On x-axis 10 and y-axis 5. So in x-axis 10 or y-axis 5, so this point will come here. Look at the second point. Second point is 20, 8. The same in x-axis 20 and y-axis 8. Like that, I have taken out all the points I have added and I joined the line. Then that is the less than OGIV. If you will see how it is going, it will move like that. So always less than OGIV will start from near to origin and it will move upward direction like that. Okay, got it? That is less than type ogive. Now I will tell you about the more than type ogive. More than type ogive. In more than type ogive, what we are doing? As in less than type ogive, what we are taking? We are taking upper limit. In more than ogive, we will take lower limit and corresponding cumulative frequency. Lower limit and corresponding cumulative frequency. But the cumulative frequency, how we are taking in our previous question, lower limit में what we are doing? We are adding from starting from them ना, हम उन्हें ऊपर से ऐड कर रहे थे फिर नीचे को आ रहे थे. In that, in more than type ogive, we will reciprocate. Now we will start from the back. We will start from the last. अब हम नीचे से ऐड करते हुए ऊपर की ओर जाएंगे. Okay, how? I am giving you one example. The same example I am taking. Look at here. That is the class interval, that is the frequency. So what we will do, as I told you, we will start from the last. 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 9 24, 24 plus 7 next wala. जैसे as we are doing in less than type, in other questions median one, what we are doing cumulative frequency, we are adding them from starting, but here we are adding them from last. Okay, like that. And what I took, lower limit and corresponding cumulative frequency. In first class, lower limit is 0 and corresponding cumulative frequency is 53. So 0, 53. The second point, lower limit is 10 and corresponding cumulative frequency is 48. So 10, 48. Third one, lower limit is 20, corresponding cumulative frequency is 45, 20, 45. It's the same. Now the same thing we will do as we are making in graph in more than ogive, the same is in less than ogive. That is horizontal line. In horizontal line, lower limit will come. In this time, what we are taking? Lower limit. Okay. In x-axis, lower limit. In upper, in y-axis, cumulative frequency. The same. The first point is 0, 53. When x is 0, then y is 53. So this point is coming here. The second point is 10, 48. 10 and 48 after 50, that is. The same points I have took and I joined them. That graph is known as more than ogive. Less than ogive कहाँ था? नीचे से ऊपर की ओर जा रहा था. In more than ogive, it is coming from upward to downward. And here it is going from downward to upward. Okay. Now sometimes what they will ask to you, make more than type ogive and less than type ogive and find the median. So how we will find the median when we are making the graphs? So I have made the graph here. You look at here. Less than type and more than type. I have told you the both graph I have made in a one graph. That one is less than type and that one is more than type. Where less than type and more than type graph will intersect, in which point? जिस पॉइंट पर ये दोनों ग्राफ एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे तो वी विल मीट इट ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस, और एक्स एक्सिस पे जो ये पॉइंट होगा दैट इज़ नोन एज द मीडियन. इफ़ यू विल लुक एट हेयर दैट पॉइंट विल कम 66, देन मीडियन ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन इज 66. जहाँ आपका वेयर लेस देन टाइप ओगिव एंड मोर देन टाइप ओगिव विल इंटरसेक्ट, दैट पॉइंट वैल्यू ऑन एक्स एक्सिस इज नोन एज मीडियन. गॉट इट? Where less than type ogive and more than type ogive will intersect, and in which point it will in which point of x-axis they will intersect each other, that point is known as median of that ogives. Okay, so you will complete the last exercise of statistics chapter.